Well, it's snowing in the Siskiyous, so we're worried. You have to get snow tires or chains or something.
It's soggy.
This is day 3 of making a video. This is day 3 of making a video every day for Christmas.
Daily, not every day, use daily.
Today our biggest obstacle is the weather, the snow. And if you get stuck, you must start a snowball fight with the other travelers. We wanted to stop by the bridge, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to.
I have already seen it. So I don't care.
Our second biggest obstacle is packing. What are your thoughts about the Golden Gate?
It's not golden. It's red. You can't see it. It's foggy. It's rainy. But it's nicely structured.
Golden Gate Bridge, check. Now on our way to Oregon. 5 hours and 18 minutes to our destination.
Did you even take this to see it's going to be on the ground?
Not gonna do the chains because we won't be able to return them. We just made it to the summit of the Siskiyous and now we're on our way down. Alright, we're in Oregon right now, and there was an In-N-Out. I didn't know there was In-N-Out in Oregon. We made it through the Siskiyous just fine. Pretty anticlimactic. And now we're almost at Grandma's house. Hi, Grandma.
Nice to see you.